So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to see how to set up Stripe payments in WooCommerce. Firstly, navigate to the general section of your Stripe plugin settings on WooCommerce. Check the Enable Stripe box to actively show the Stripe payment options at checkout. Just note that unchecking this just hides the checkout option, it doesn't completely deactivate the plugin. Now, use the Enable Test Mode box only when you are running trial transactions or refunds. Be sure to turn this off before going live. Now head over to the Account Details section. Ideally, your payment and payout statuses should both say Enabled. Click the Configure Connection button to ensure your account status is connected and your webhooks are configured. Check both Live and Test tabs to ensure both modes are fully linked, and if anything says incomplete, you simply need to re-authenticate your connection. Now move to the Payment Methods tab when you turn a payment method on or off. In your main Stripe dashboard, it will automatically update your WooCommerce plugin as long as your sync status is enabled. Just a pro tip, enable Apple Pay and Google Pay because they are controlled together. Enabling one in your Stripe dashboard will automatically enable both in the WooCommerce plugin. Now finally scroll down to the Payments and Transactions section. We highly recommend checking the Enable Saved Payment Methods box. This allows your returning customers to securely save their payment information, allowing them to check out much faster in the future. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this, and drop a comment below letting us know what to cover next.